Hey guys, Thomas here from Kelford with Life of a Camshaft Part 4. Today I'm here with Mike, who does the next stage. So these have been through cutting, turning, milling, and now we're at this machine. So Mike, can you tell us a bit about what the next stage is?
So this is the hardening stage on the camshaft. So we're mainly targeting the lobes at the moment. We sometimes do journals as well, if we need to, depending on its application. But this is to increase the hardness of the material from its standard sort of raw form.
Yeah, cool. So similar to a flame harden, but what style do we use here?
So this is an induction method of hardening, which is an electromagnetic field, sort of similar to an electronic stovetop. It's a very similar principle. And then we're quenching as well to increase the hardness.
Okay, so you run it through the machine, get all the lobes nice and hard, and then where does it go from there?
So once it's been hardened, we then go into the tempering oven and temper them for about 3 hours, depending on material and things like that. We lose a little bit of hardness through that, but we have our threshold where we know what we're targeting and what final hardness we should result with.
Excellent. And then from there, I guess they're ready for grinding and finishing.
Yeah, that's the aim of it all.
All right, brilliant. Thank you, Mike.